Welcome to the online and self-paced crash course in advanced environmental compliance for ship Chandlers, Scope 3 emissions, a professional development seminar in collaboration with ISA, the International Ship Suppliers and Services Association. Scope 3 refers to all indirect greenhouse gas emissions that occur across an organization's value chain. Scope 3 regulations require businesses to measure, report, and eventually reduce the indirect greenhouse gas emissions across their entire supply and value chain. The maritime industry is changing fast, and the ship chandlers who thrive in the next decade won't just be the ones with the best prices or the fastest delivery. They'll be the ones who speak the language of sustainability and prove it. This is your course. Shipping companies are under enormous environmental pressure from regulators, from cargo owners, from investors, and they're passing that pressure directly down to their supply chain, to you. The chandlers who get ahead of this, who can walk into a tender and present verified emissions data, a supplier engagement program, and a science-based reduction target, are winning contracts, deepening relationships, being chosen over competitors who've been in the market longer. Environmental competence is the new competitive advantage, and this course gives it to you.
In this seminar, we'll essentially explore how your operations as ship chandlers contribute to indirect greenhouse gas emissions, so what we call Scope 3 emissions, and why understanding and managing these emissions is essential for regulatory compliance, corporate responsibility, and future-proofing of your business.
Whether you're running a chandling operation, working in maritime procurement, or building a career in ship supply, this course was built for you. No environmental science degree required. No jargon overload. Just clear, practical, commercially focused training that you can apply from day one. 6 focused sessions. Practical from start to finish. Session 1, Foundations of GHG Emissions. Every competitive advantage starts with knowledge. And Session 1 gives you the foundation that everything else is built on. Session 2, the business case for Scope 3. Session 2 is where this gets real. Because this isn't just about saving the planet, it's about saving your contract. Session 3, calculating Scope 3 emissions. Numbers. Methodology. Credibility. This is the session that turns understanding into evidence. Session 4, tools, strategies, and supplier engagement. Knowing your footprint is step 1. Reducing it is where the real work, and the real commercial value, begins. Session 5, procurement and reporting. Your data is only as powerful as your ability to communicate it. Session 5 turns your numbers into the credible, compelling evidence your clients are looking for. Session 6, action planning workshop. This is the session that makes everything real. Your plan. Your targets. Your roadmap, ready to implement the moment this course ends. By the time you finish this course, you'll be able to calculate your Scope 3 emissions using industry-standard methodologies. You'll know how to engage suppliers, build a green procurement strategy, and report your data in the format your clients are asking for. You'll have a complete, organization-specific Scope 3 action plan, ready to implement the moment you close your laptop. And you'll have the credentials to prove it. Your instructors, Olkistis Onistosiou, lawyer specializing in maritime and international law, and Dr. Katerina Konster, CEO, World Maritime Academy, a highly accomplished professional with a wealth of expertise in the field. Both are here to guide you every step of the way. Worried about fitting this into your schedule? Fear not. There are no fixed start dates. You can embark on this transformative journey anytime, from anywhere, and adjust the pace to meet your needs.
Are you ready to elevate your knowledge and skills in advanced environmental compliance for ship chandlers?
The maritime industry is moving toward net zero. That journey runs directly through your supply chain. And the ship chandlers who lead on environmental compliance won't just survive that transition, they'll thrive in it. This course gives you everything you need to be one of them. Enroll today. Build your competitive advantage. And take your place at the front of the sustainable maritime supply chain.
You will find the information about this course on the WMA site. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@e-wma.com.